All right, video number 2. Preparing it for the rule of halves. We're not going to do too much in this video, but we have it sort of rounded. You can see it's sort of rounded going this way, and it's flat on the back. And you know, we have a good egg shape here, so we're doing well. Something I failed to mention in the previous video, and it's not a bad idea. You've got the cardboard protecting the clay from the table, but it's not a bad idea to put newspaper down as well. So if you put the newspaper down here, any little scraps or my dirty hands aren't going to mark up the clay so much. And also what I need probably half of this much newspaper, about this much, kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's, you know, just half of a whole section or just one whole page. And I'm going to crinkle this into a ball, something like a ball shape like this, that's smaller than the clay itself. It has to be smaller. So really, and it expands once I release it. See, it's starting to expand there. So I want to really crinkle it down. Then I'm going to put it underneath the clay. Then I'm going to push the clay right on top of it with maybe 2 hands. Maybe even stand up to do this. So it stretches the clay a little bit thinner, and it makes it a little more round. So we want this roundness, this kind of a egg-shaped dome, sort of, that's rounded this way and it's rounded this way. So this is actually the top of the head. Now the only thing is the chin tends to fall down when we do this. We want to pull the chin up. So you're going to push it. I'll just turn it around so you can see. You can see it's kind of touching the clay on the top and on the sides, and then it's kind of tipped up on the bottom for the chin here. Okay. And then as you're working on it, that chin might fall down again. You have to make those adjustments. So the clay ends up being about this thick after we press it over the clay. The next thing we're going to do is get ready for our rule of halves. We're going to divide it in half, and we're just going to put all our guidelines in right now. So remember, with our rule of halves, we have a rule of halves down the middle, vertically, down the middle horizontally, and then we're dividing this space in half, and then this space in half again. So do this really, really lightly with a stick. You kind of line it up. You can even just kind of rock the stick on there. It leaves a little bit of a mark. That's probably more of a mark than you need. Just the lightest line, because we're going to erase these lines. Same thing here. Make sure the distance is the same here and here. And we're going to mark a line here. So that's where the eyes are going to go. That seems a little crooked. You can smear it out and fix it if you need to. Halfway between here and here is right about there. That's for the bottom of the nose, just a short line there. And halfway between here and here, that's the bottom of the lip right there. So just doing those lines kind of lays out where the eyes, nose, and mouth are going to be. If you do that, you're ready for video number 3.